Hi, I'm Nadia Putri Shafina from 9J, and I'll be showing a tutorial on how to make a chocolate truffles. First off, we'll need 2 ingredients in total for making this. The first one is a condensed milk. I'm using about 150 milliliters, and the second one is a cocoa powder. Moving on into the steps. First of all, provide a pan. Then, pour all of the condensed milk into it. Don't forget to turn on the stove and make sure it's on low heat. After that, start stirring and keep it goes on until a bubble started to appear on the surface of the condensed milk. It boils really fast, so when it starts bubbling lightly, you should take it off the gas so it won't burn. If you have already finished, pour the boiled condensed milk into a bowl. Continuing the process, pour in the pure cocoa powder while the milk is still hot so you'll be easier to mix it. But before it, sift the cocoa powder first because it can easily get lumpy. For me, it took 3 times. Mix, mix, and mix it until both of them blends really well. After mixing all of the cocoa, the texture should be thick and harden a bit like this. Moving on to the next step, put it all in a plastic wrap inside a container and wrap it until you finished. Leave it inside a fridge for like about 2 to 3 hours of time. After putting the chocolate in the fridge, it should be easier to cut and shape it. You can cut and shape it freely as how you want it to be. Here I decided to round the chocolate and make it into a shape of a circle. Finally, it comes the last step, which is optional. You can pour and sift more cocoa powder on top of the chocolate. Now the chocolate truffles is ready to serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.